Hi folks, today we're diving into the fabulous world of pricing and Beyonce. Yes, that's right, Beyonce. Now let's get this party started and give you the lowdown on the latest pricing news from around the globe. Now, we've all heard of inflation, greedflation and shrinkflation, right? But have you heard about drinkflation? It's a real thing. The UK government recently announced a new alcohol levy, leaving producers in quite a pickle. Should they raise their prices or lower the alcohol content to keep prices steady? It's a tough decision. Starting from the 1st of August, vodka and gin will see a 10% increase in alcohol duty, wine will have a 20% increase, and port and sherry will be hit by a whopping 44% increase. Some beer and wine makers are already reducing alcohol strength to avoid higher taxes. Tricky, isn't it? I mean, with Margaritas being one of my 5 a day, I'm not sure if I want to pay more or drink more. Another culprit in Europe's relentless battle against inflation has emerged, Beyonce. Yes, that's right. Last month, as fans flocked around the world to witness Queen Bee live on stage, the halo effect was a sharp price increase for hotel rooms, transport, and restaurants. Sweden and the UK blamed her for unexpected rises in their headline inflation rates. And as someone who's trying to shake off missing out on Taylor Swift concert tickets, I can only imagine that Australia's headline inflation rates next month are about to experience some very bad blood. Across to the US, and a recent poll by Forbes revealed that 9 out of 10 US manufacturers are planning to increase their prices in the second half of this year. Nearly 62% of them have already raised their prices earlier this year to try and cope with the ongoing rises in cost of goods and also supply chain disruptions. From margaritas to manufacturing, if you want to increase your pricing powers with just a few clicks, give us a holler. We can help you twerk through all your pricing pain points and work together to come up with a brilliant pricing execution plan. Until next time, cheers to you, pricing people.